out. Okay, today we will do like every day in December the advent of code. And hopefully we can do it in the way like we did yesterday's one. It was very fun for me. So let's see how we can do. Yeah, but it seems like it could be. Let's see. You and the historians arrive to search for the sheaf right as the event is about to start. It wouldn't hurt to watch a little, right? The reindeer starts on the start tile marked S, facing east and need to reach the end tile marked E. They can move forward one tile at a time, increasing their score by 1 point, but never into a wall. They can also rotate clockwise or counterclockwise 90 degrees at a time, increasing their score by 1000 points. To figure out the best place to sit, you start by grabbing a map, your puzzle input, from a nearby kiosk, for example. There are many paths through this maze, but taking any of the best paths would incur a score of only 7,036. This can be achieved by taking a total of 36 steps forward and turning 90 degrees a total of 7 times. Here's a second example. In this maze, the best pass cost 11,048 points. Following one such pass would looks like this. Note that the path shown above includes a 190 degrees turn as the very first move. Rotating the reindeer from facing east to facing north. Analyze your map carefully. What is the lowest score a reindeer could possibly get? To begin, get your puzzle input. Alright. I think this will be something similar to yesterday, which will take a lot of time to let it run, but I think I'll do it also in the game dev way. Okay, so let's create a new script and detach the script from here, and we will just wait. We could keep the wall because we also need walls. We just need a new script. Advent of code day 16. All right. We have variable data map input equals this one is in string. Function ready load map will do the following thing. Will return void, and what we're gonna do here is first of all sorted map input, also this time an array. All right, and we just say sorted map input dot slide sorted map input equals map input dot slice backslash n. Cannot find slice. Was it not slice? Split. I'm sorry. All right. Okay, so we sort the data, and what we wanna do now is for string index in sorted map input dot size for object type object index in sorted map input string index dot length. We will say if, so we will check just the yesterday's input, what it is, what letters we have. If sorted map input string index object index equals, we will just create a wall. This time the wall is also a hashtag, or whatever it's called in English. Then we will do actually the exact same thing like yesterday. This one. Let's see what we will got. Oh, nothing, because there's nothing in the input. We will take the first example. Alright, this is what the first level looks like. Interesting. See, it looks so different when it's this way and when it's this way. Because here it's a perfect square. And here it's, I'm not sure, it looks stretched. So we want, when it's dot, we will connect them and we will work with an A star. And then we make the reindeer move the shortest way. What we're gonna do now is an elif. The reindeer we will create now. File new 16 by 16. Just draw a very quick reindeer. I'll just take this brown tone here. Eyes. A nose. Darker brown, but darker brown. Just like this one. And now shadows. I don't need this anymore. All right. All right, I think this is fine. We don't need to make it perfect. So we have a reindeer, which we will save here. All right, and we need a goal. And as this one is Christmas, we'll go for red and white for the goal. This one we will just call goal. Or finish. Alright, and we just start here now. So we need another static body. Wait. The goal can be just a simple sprite. We don't need movement of... Both can be just a simple sprite, to be honest. And we'll just go to... How we'll do it. And we gonna do the same thing for this goal, but the goal is an E. Alright. So let's see. Because the point of this one is the middle. That's why we have to just adjust it a bit. Alright. So this is how it looks like. We just make it looks a bit bigger. Scale 3, close, start. Alright. Maybe it's a bit too big, but maybe not. We just can adjust it a bit. Yeah. This is the test input, and we have to find the shortest way now. I just want to do something that looks more like Christmas. And All right. And we wall 16 PNG. And we just time map. Tile map. All right. Okay, sorry for that. Just testing my microphone before. Okay. Tile set. We also need to add collision. I mean, it's not necessary to have collision, to be honest. Source 1. Is it this now? Yes. Alright, we have the reindeer, and the reindeer has to walk until here. With the shortest way. So what we gonna do now is to create an A star. A star 2D equals A star 2D dot new. Alright. Oh, but I forgot how to use it properly, to be honest. Let's see. We create a new one, and then we will add points. And we will add them together. So what we're gonna do now, rather than all of this code, add point ID star ID count equals we'll have an int equals 0. Count with D. Peak English skills here. And a position vector 2 X is object index multiplied by 16. All right. Connect points. Right. Right. And we will connect. There's no valid path to the target and allow partial path is true. Return the path to the point closest to the target that can be reached. Get ID path. Connect them. Get closest position in segment. Um, Here we also need to add a point. Because the reindeer has to move on it. And also here. And this one is wherever a dot is, right? Yes. Um, um, so when it's S, we should have an array with filled with stuff in A star. Should be filled. Export type can only be built in. Actually, it should show me what is stored inside there. Um, it's not adding the points. One. $104. Now it seems like it did something. Alright. But I can't see them. Can I print them somehow? Get. Alright. But what we gonna do here is we just say this one will be, the ID will be, has to be an int. We make it 1000. So we know exactly that 1000 has to be the goal. And the start point will be oh, wait, will be 0. The start will be 1000. Oh, a bit higher because I saw already the input for today's task. Wait. This number is not appearing. Is it too high? Wait, it's like it's not existing, but I mean... Oh. Oh. We do 100,000. And now it's working, and where we have 0... Ah, here. Alright, this is the start point and this is the end point. And now we need to connect them with their neighbors. I mean... did I need to connect them? What if I just say... What do we have in A star? Get ID pass returns an array with the IDs of the point that form the path found by A star to D between the given point. The array is ordered from the starting point and to the ending point of the path. If there's no valid path to the target and the low partial path is true, returns the path of the points closest to the target that can be... Wait, if there's no valid path to the... Alright, okay, I'll try it. Get ID path. Zero to 100,000. Because they are not connected, alright. Current point. Vector 2. Return void. What we're gonna do now is... How was it? A star. Point ID. To ID. Alright. Alright. That's interesting. So ID. So rather than current point ID, current point as a vector, we say as an int. We send over Alright, the 0 and the 100,000 destroys it a bit. The way how I thought I could do it. Can I get closest points? Um, okay, what's the best way to do this now? Okay, what I can do is to do the points first. And here I'll say so it will automatically be the last one, right? Alright, and what we gonna do now is connect points, current point ID. Neighbor ID equals array for neighbor in neighbor IDs. If a star dot connected, not is connected, are points connected, current point, and neighbor ID. Then connect this one, get neighbor IDs, this one will return an array, neighbor IDs equals an array. We say dot get point ID. How I'll do it? Get point count. Has point. Wait, this won't work. Because they are not always neighbors. Because sometimes there are walls, for example. A star dot find with ID 1 doesn't exist. Huh. Tile map. Alright, I do not know why I said it there. Can't connect it to itself? Right, this one then. Alright. We just get -1. It's empty. All right. Um, hello. Welcome. Um, I need to connect them. I need to connect them with their neighbors. Connect. Install, connect, neighbors. A mapping between coordinates and point IDs. Given that we have a floor size, this is easy. Okay, actually for walls, Okay, I have to put this on the whole map to do it properly. Also here. That point. Point position. Current point position as a vector 2. And we will just do these two things. Alright, and we will got this one. And rather than all of this, only do this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Alright. So we have this now. And now we also want to connect them to their neighbors. Current neighbors equal as an array equal to get neighbors for neighbor in current neighbors, say a star if a star dot are points connected, current point a star ID count with current neighbor. Size. Hello. Sorry that I can't read your name, but I noticed that you are there on YouTube. Welcome. If are connected, if not, then connect them. This one will lead to an array. So we have the current ID, current point ID, So we check for -1, +1, so for the left one and right one, and also for the top one and for the top one and bottom one. So what we gonna do now is current neighbors. So we say we're searching for the vector. Append. Wait, right now we just have the ID. Can I get point by position somehow? Position. Equals. Get point. So now we will do if with the ID. Dot get point. Actually, we need to store the IDs. So left first and then right. Um, If it's dot, so one more to the left. Then we will say get dot append and a star dot I can't get it via position. That's very... It's also supposed to use non-Euclidean. Okay, we can do it. So if it's 1 to the left, the ID is actually also 1, just minus 1, so... Cubics, level, 5 levels more. We have a new high level, by the way. Left, right. So left and right is easy. I want my char. A new high the mod. Level 228. $228. Here I have to do it a bit different. Here I have to... Being a mod is cheating. You can refund your own points. Is it? I mean... He doesn't. And I think they doesn't know. To be honest. Until you say it now. How I can prevent it? They shouldn't be allowed. Wait. Mods should be delete mod permissions. Twitch. Oh, I'm muted. I can do something against it. I'll just do it directly. I can say that level ups, viewer rewards, power and channel points. Level up, added. I don't want that they queue up. There shouldn't be limits, but they shouldn't be queued. No. Skip reward request queue. Yes. Only future viewer requests will skip the queue for review. Alright, level up and this level up. Alright, level ups cannot be refunded now anymore. Only... Actually, I'll do the same for colors too. The only thing what I want to see in the queue when the people can change their colors as much as they want, but there's nothing what I need to do here. So the only thing what is important showing for me in the queue is custom. Requests. Change shirt logo. Alright, celebrate also not. Pants color is already set it. Just to create custom things. Customized character. Alright, okay. Now it's set it up. Alright, thanks for the hint. That's a good hint. Even thought that no mod will ever cheating here, but it's just good to know to set something. Alright. By the way, is the mod we talking about Dani? No. Dani is rarely here at the moment. He's here maybe just once a week. No, it's Kiat. I have just 2 mods. But maybe you've never heard of them. Never heard of him because he never talked in the chat. Never. Very rarely. What is that crown what you have there? Prime Gaming. Ah, right. Does Prime Gaming mean that you have somehow Amazon Prime only for games? You got other mods? I only ever saw Dani. That's what I mean. I mean, he never write anything. So yeah, I do. Minus. I have to check if it's out of bounds or not. So this one is for X. So what I have to do is if dot x minus 1 is bigger than 0, I have my Twitch linked to Amazon Prime. That means I get access to free games over Twitch Prime. In both games, I can redeem on Epic, Google, and also on Twitch, the Prime app directly. So I only ever collect the GOG redeems. It also means, and those most people know, I get a single free sub for any channel once a month. Ah, okay, yes, okay. Actually, I know Amazon Prime. I just didn't. I think I never saw the Prime Gaming thing. Did you have the free sub for one channel every month? I also know. I just do not know the Prime Game thing. So you got free games every month, like lifetime licenses for games, or just like using... Did I say it, Google? Sorry. Good old games. The Prime Crown is a badge you get when you connect Prime and Twitch. Alright. As I didn't use Amazon, I didn't have it. Like I redeem the code and keep it forever. Keep it forever? That's a really nice thing. And, well, good to know. Free games. I mean, lifetime licenses for free games is always good. Even you will never ever play them. No, we have to do that for all. So if it's bigger than 0 and Dishonored, Jurassic World, Hellblade, some of recent big ones. Nice. But that's for something what you even use, even you wouldn't gaming. I mean, people who have Amazon Prime, they will still got it, even they don't play games. That's weird. I mean, this is nice, but... Sorted map? 0 dot size. Or length. Correct, it's just a free gimmick you get when owning Prime. That's so nice. But Prime is expensive, right? I mean, I just thought... I remember the last price I've heard is like 70 euros every month. So I think it's kind of not worse when you don't watching movies and gaming and everything. When you just only use it for the delivery thing, I'm not sure if it's worth it. Most people that use Prime for the faster shipping of package don't even know about it. It's only huge in the Twitch bubble. Yes, of course. I mean, I know Amazon Prime only from this packages thing. And it was like 7 years ago. Prime is 5 euros a month. Amazon Prime is 5 euros a month? Did I mess it up right now? Prime membership is $14 a month or $139 a year. Prime Videos $8.99. Student is $7. Shipping only plan is $14. Prime shipping only plan, invitation only. Oh, sorry. I remembered 70 euros a year. Sorry, I just messed it up. Oh, sorry. I misclicked. Oh, I can. Sorry, I just deleted your message by just clicking on your name. I'm very sorry. Or 13 if you wanna get less ads, because Prime isn't actually a totally free experience. You still get ads on Prime videos with the base plan. Is it the same thing like when you sub to a channel in Twitch with the Prime sub? Did you still got advertisements sometimes? Is it there also, or is it different? My first moderation action, I feel honored. I'm really sorry, this was very... Can I make it return? Wait, no, you never had a mod action here. In my channel, mod action 000, so this isn't a mod action. I think a timeout is one, and a warning, and a block. I normally don't get ads with Prime. Alright, okay. I think, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean... So weird why I did click it. But the message is back. I mean, I still can see it. Maybe I just return it. It's the Prime is 5 euros a month message, which I was deleted accidentally just by clicking on your name. Maybe I missed it a few millimeters. Alright, let's keep going with this one. But the dude I normally give my Prime to hasn't been online for a long time. Yeah, I mean, even some people I was raiding beforehand, they're not streaming anymore. I think streaming is something what you need to do on a regular basis. Otherwise you will start to lose the audience very fast. I remember there was a time where I didn't stream for like a few days. And just after that I had a few days where it's okay, I accidentally banned a person once because I misclicked. Alright. So you ever was a mod, or did you stream yourself? Actually, here I just have to check if it's bigger than 0. Here I have to check if it's bigger than the size. If it's not bigger, if it's smaller than the size. Sorted. Map input. Dot size, no length. This one. As a mod, alright. Yeah, things happened. But ban is... I don't think you need to stream a lot, just be consistent. You could stream only once a week, but keep it up every week for a few months so people know to expect your stream and when you to tune in. Yes, that's right. But as I'm streaming for like 6 months right now, every day, and June I think I start to make a break day on Saturdays, which is fine. But I just feel like when you start to get out of your schedule, like even the time when you start streaming and stop streaming is also very important. It's not important. It's not only important the day, it's also important the time of the day. So this is left and right. So now top and bot. Bot. If it has bigger than 0, and here almost the same. Y minus 1 is smaller than sorted map dot input dot size. Smaller than size. Yes, this is right. Because when it's exactly the size, it's also out of bounds, so it's fine. And here we need to add plus 1. Here minus, here plus. Or here plus. Well, I really messed it up. Minus plus. Minus plus. This is fine. Minus plus minus plus. And after that, return array, return current neighbors. All right. Can't connect points. Point with ID 11 doesn't exist. If okay, we have to check if it's still if it's existing. What I'm doing here. Okay, this is also a mistake here. So current point ID minus 1, this is right, left, but up we have to minus. Here, subscribed. Thank you very much. Wow, that was so loud, I was shocked again. Hello, he, welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for your subscribe. How are you doing? Wow, 210 subs, fine. 210 followers. Fine, great. That's nice to hear. By the way, it's still not snowing this time of the year. In my hometown, there it was already snowing for a few days. Last year it was all white this time. Yeah, it's very weird. Sometimes you will have winters without any snow. I mean, I think when it's winter and it's not snowing, then it's not worth it. Then it's just cold. I had snow, but for like an hour. Right. Well, it's not a lot. But maybe soon. I think the coldest day will still come. So it's just... Is it even count as winter yet? We're not just starting on... First December? On 21 December. But here it starts on 29 October. Astronomical winter start is 21 December. Well. Oh, Nicholas Gross. Yes. How do you like my hat? And how do you like my dog with a reindeer hat? Cool. I also try to make my shirts in the Santa Claus colors. There will be a point where you can have animals here too. I want a pet here. Oh yes. Well, yes, you will be able to have pets here. After a Code of Advent, I have to working on my game. And after I'm working on my game and have the first playable version, then I will work on this one. Next time, make me an owl. That's a cool idea. I can make an owl which follows you all the time. Everyone can have an animal. Harry Potter owl. Is the Harry Potter owl matching with your current lookalike? The tank top, crown, and no hair. So, well, yup, I'm the gang's wizard. Alright. If a star dot has point ID and end. Alright, now we shouldn't get errors. Great! Point with ID 35 doesn't exist. Hello 2XP in YouTube. Hello 2XP in Twitch. Welcome. How are you doing? Long time no stream? Wait, he was streaming 2 days ago. Or yesterday? yesterday. 2 days ago. What day is today? Monday. Then yesterday. So long time for me. Alright, pity you. I am doing good. Multi-chatting here. Am good. I doing. What is he talking about? I doing. Am good. Can't connect points. Point with ID 35 doesn't exist. Alright. But I just thought we checked before we connected. Neighbor ID is loading. Many zeros and eyes. Oh, well. I streamed like yesterday. The VIPs have arrived. Oh, well, yes, both are VIPs. Maybe should also deserve the VIP status, but I'm not sure how many VIPs I can set, to be honest. Oh, just the half amount of point with ID isn't existing. But how is that possible? If it's not existing, why you try to connect them? Oh, I actually did the same mistake here. Thinking about it, I haven't been at 2xp for a long time too. I don't want VIPs, thanks. Alright. Why I lost the level game? Wait, you are level 87. This is just 160 level. V2 Grow's got a mod that's level 200 plus. He spent 120,000 points yesterday. Oh well, good that you do a level up. I'm just checking if I got the queues. But I don't. Great. Just 7 levels and Cubics will be level 100. And 8 levels for 2 XP. But I think that would be almost impossible that you will ever see the level. To XP keeping up with 1 level difference. I bought like 3 trash cans. I think it was 10,000 points per can. So 30,000 points. The bad thing is I can't even refund them. 295 error? Yes, 295 error. I did something wrong here. No, it was 10,000. But I can't refund them to you. But I can cheating you up levels. No, I can't. About 295 hours. Damn, 2xp could be second place. What a mistake. Yeah, at this time, when he spent the points, there was nothing else to spend the points on. There was just that. There was no characters running around here. And I spent the rest. Oh, the 24-hour stream. That was a long time. For maximum points. And you made your mouse clicked every 5 minutes automatically on the get the extra points button, right? Unlock emotes for 24 hours. Ah, yes, I remember that. Will you make another 24? I was thinking about when I reach the 500 follower on YouTube, I'll make an 18-hour stream at least. I mean, 24 hours was more like 18 hours do something, 6 hours sitting here and try to not fall asleep. So I think I'll do an 18-hour stream. Or like a streaming weekend with sleeping breaks in between, where I will create a game the whole weekend and do add everything what the people want me add to the game. Like a challenge, 48-hour challenge game thing. But yeah, but it's still, I think it will be maybe next year in January or February. Right now I'm at 447. What I am doing wrong. Point with ID 87 isn't existing. But here I'm checking firsthand if it's existing or not. Is it a bool? Returns whether a point associated with the given ID exists. Yeah. And here I'm asking if it's existing. I mean, I could add this 4 letters and it should give me the same. 2xp, you ever did that last time, right? Well. And then it was very quickly. I mean, then like on the next weekend, I had like 78 followers on YouTube, on Twitch. And just like 1 week later, when you said it and I do advertisement here at the screen, then I just got this goal within 1 week. That was crazy. And that was so tiring, really. I mean, 24 hours is very, very tiring. When I was child, I think it was easier to stay up 24 hours. But wait, even we got these errors. Oh, this is still empty. Current neighbors, neighbor index, current neighbors, neighbor index, and current neighbors, neighbor index. What I am doing wrong here? Current neighbors. Let's print current neighbors. Alright, so the first print is here. Is minus 14. Minus? I did something wrong here, for sure. So this one was called here, this minus 14 thing. And it, Alright. Huh? What? Minus 1 is bigger than 0. Alright, this is actually fine. Minus this one. Why is from top to bottom? Oh. We minimize the errors. Well, just 66% of the errors than before. We are on a very, very, very good way. Oh, and also what we should also do if we are a wall, we shouldn't connect to anything. Like here, if we are a wall. At point, we just want to, if sorted map input, this one, this one dot y, and this one dot x equals hashtag, then we just say return. but just after this one. $105. We are on a very, 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 very good way. Point with ID 2 doesn't exist. Oh. This count we actually have to do not in this one. We have to do it here. Oh, well, more errors. Great. I love more errors. Why? Oh, all right. This one then. Huh? It's not hashtag. Zero doesn't exist. 810. No point ID is existing here. All right. Why? A star count plus equals 1. Even 0 isn't existing. We start with 0. That was kind of make something worse. A star ID count plus equals 1. We add the point, and just after that, after we did all the stuff, we just increase it. So what we got here? And the IDs are there, 225. And how many we should have? $42 and 27. This is 15 multiplied by 5 to 19 is 15 also. So 15 by 15 multiplied is 100. Sorry. 225, right? 150 plus the half one is 225, yes. Alright, so the errors does make sense. I got an error at each point. That's great. That's something what we can work with. But I do not know Where? A star ID count plus equals 1. I mean, the count is right, but we added. The add is not working properly. And here it was working. I don't believe it. I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. It's working halfway through. For neighbors and current neighbors dot size. Connect points. This one is current neighbors. Well. Tell me what I'm doing wrong here. Why are you doing that? Can't get points, position. Point with ID 0 doesn't exist. Okay, I get the error here. Alright, that's something else. Well, but that means we didn't add it. But I just thought I added here. Are you kidding me? We add the point here. Print. A star dot get IDs. Point IDs. And here's 0. Why are you talking about there's no 0? What do you mean? Oh. We caught it before. Hmm. No errors anymore. That's how I like it. Not. But I want to get this one's position. Wait, let me say this one. So this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Should have 3 connections. One. It's 17. It's 19. And it's 33. Seems to be alright. Yeah, okay. And now what we want to do is we just say start pos ID and finish ID. And what we do is just here the start ID is there where the reindeer is. And here finish ID, and hopefully how does it get a star tool? Set point position. Nope. Get point pass. This is what we want. From I think the problem here is this one. No, it's not. Shh. Oh no. Oh no. So let's do it manually. Well, 28. So 27 is the endpoint. Actually 26. And just let's say 5, 4, 3, 2. 22. Wait, is there even a way from here? Yeah, it is. There are even several ways. Um... Oh. Alright, it seems to working. Wait. Just a second. Let's see. At finish ID. We should do that beforehand, because after add point we already increase it by 1 and then it won't work. There will be no connection. So, and here we will say finish ID. Alright, start. Alright, this is the movement we want. So we want to start somewhere. Function. Get a reindeer movement array. Return. Reindeer movement. Convert movement array for date for vector in say convert movement array dot append vector multiplied by 16. Is it possible to append and then return this one? Alright, and we just say reindeer movement equals this one. Append on a base nil. We have to declare it beforehand as an array, otherwise it won't know it's an array when I call append on it. Alright, this seems like proper things. Okay, and the reindeer shouldn't move yet. Or? Calc. I think there will be one problem here in my whole calculation is that really the shortest way? This we'll find out now. So we want, the rules are very simple for this one. I mean, not very simple, but okayish to understand. There are many paths through this maze, but taking any of the best paths would incur a score of only 36. This can be achieved by taking a total of 36 steps forward and turning 90 degrees a total of 7 times. So that's what we need to calculate here. We got this one, and we have to got 7036. So whenever we do a step, one step. Huh? Okay, 1000 points plus when we do a 90 degrees turn. So my idea now is it to make the reindeer move. So what we want to do is, first of all, we'll check the reindeer if it's existing here. Whatever. So remote, we have sprite 2D. Alright. To make it a bit easier to understand, what we do is so we give them names before we spawn them. So we have finish and reindeer. So what we're gonna do now is first return void for now. We say get a node reindeer for position in for next position in reindeer movement. We say reindeer dot global position equals next position. Await get tree dot create timer 1 second. So let's see where he'll move. Huh? Timeout. And to make it looks a bit better, we will say that's today's puzzle. And it seems like this is the shortest way. All right. So next thing what we gonna do is do the calculation. So we need a variable reindeer. Oh, let's just call it movement int. And what we do is we do a calculation. If next position dot, oh wait, we just do it and if position compare if it's true, then we will add movement plus equals 1000. Otherwise, we will add movement plus equals 1 only. And position compare, we will just say next position. And we got next position and reindeer dot global position. And this one is function, this one, reindeer position and next position returns a bool, and we say if reindeer position dot x oh we need also the movement before, or do we? So we have 2016 to 200 to 184, and then actually could yeah, so let's do next position index in reindeer movement dot size. We do next position index Did we need to compare 3 numbers, or is it enough to compare 1 number? X equals next position dot x this one, and we got equals If it's the same, if we have to check if it's out of bounds. If -2 is not is bigger than 0. If it's smaller than 0, then we'll return true. And bigger it can't be. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $21,029. All right. $19 turns. No, there's something wrong. If it's not existing. Hi, what you doing? Dread Devil, welcome. The today's advent of code, just in a game dev way, creating like a little animation also. Oh. Wait. When is this is the case? Then return false. But if it's not the case, like we do 1, 1, 1. Actually, I have to do both in the same time. I see. I do something wrong here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. He's turning 11 times. All right. Because for the A star, this is the shortest way. But the way they want is because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, wait. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah, this is the way they want. But mine is going here because it sees this is the shorter way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, 29. This one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 36. Ah, yes. Okay, I have an idea. So rather than only do the connections, I can set how heavy the connection is. So when, wait, let me see if my idea works. How I make corners heavier. So how I can detect corners? What makes corners unique? Hmm. Would it help when I do vertical connections heavier than horizontal? Because then he will try to avoid as much vertical ways as possible. But what if the other puzzle is exactly the other way around? Then I have to do horizontal ways more heavy. But I could try both ways and compare them at the end. Which one is lighter? But what is making a corner unique? Because the problem is when I make this corner here, this corner has 3 connections. When I make this one heavier, And even here, he have to go through this one when he wants to go here. So what I could do is... that I make vertical connections heavier. Or horizontal. That it makes a difference. We got Christmas girls. Yes, you got. Hello, Black Mango. Nice cards you was drawing there. Actually. How are you doing? Great, I've got 1 month holidays right now. Where in this world you got 1 month's Christmas holidays? We've got just 2 weeks. I mean, when I was in school, even when I was studying, we had just 2 weeks. 1 month is nice. Returns the weight scale of the point associated with the given ID. Not for Christmas, it's college semester and break. We don't have much Christmas here. Ah, right. Okay, I got it. Okay. But 1 month is still a nice time. What you'll do is all that free time. Do you have any plans for your holidays? What does allow partial pass mean? Alright, okay, I ever asked that question. I remember now. I'm just learning web dev and playing Elden Ring. Nice. Multiplied by the result of compute cost. Already exists a point for the given ID. Its position and weight scale are updated to the given values. The weight scale must be 0, 0 or greater. How's the best way for me to make the reindeer moves here? Should take as less turns as possible. Taking any of the best paths would occur. Have you take vacation yet, guys? 24/7. What is a vacation you are talking about? 2 XP? That you can eat it? All day is vacation day. But no, I think this is... I mean, for usual, if you are employed in Germany, you would do it as early as possible when you are working in a bigger company. And you try to connect them with holidays so that out of 5 vacation days, sometimes you would be able to have like 2 weeks of vacation. When you connect it with the Easter days and the second Easter days, which names I forgot in English, and Christmas days, Christmas holidays. Tomorrow is my last day at work this year. Nice. What is your plan for the rest of the year? 2 weeks off. When did you start? Did you start? Wait, don't tell me you start again on like 2 or 3? Make games? Oh, you mean a stream marathon? 24/7? 2 weeks? Without break? Even sleep? Streams in between? Is that what you are saying here? I make a clip right now. No, 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 no. Revenge time? We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Yes, he do. He's a Unreal Engine streamer. And this maze, the best pass cost 11,048 points. Following one such pass would look like this. Now carefully, what is the lowest score a reindeer could possibly get? Is there a way to get every solutions? You're welcome to pop by. Making all kind of weird games. They ask pathfinding an AOC. No, they don't ask for it. I just thought this would be a proper way here. But maybe I'm totally wrong. What should I do now? Oh, the structure backing the point useful in conjunction with reverse space. Is there a way to get a calculation of the lowest 90 degrees turns I have to do? The thing is, if I would make these points heavier, doesn't make sense because we still have to go past this. Um, 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 why? Mm, Can I create custom costs? Like add costs? How I'll work with compute cost? From Hä? How do I use it? It is also possible to use non-Euclidean distance to do so. Create a class that extends A stars. Should return a lower bound of the distance. Create a class that extends A stars return override methods. Okay. How was that? Where's A star? Huh? I think I'm doing it wrong. Shortest path wouldn't be lowest, right? No, that would be too simple. The thing is, I mean, actually, it is the shortest path what I'm walking here. This is alright. But the problem is we don't want the shortest. We want the which costs the lowest points. So the lowest points, I mean, the A star thing is not calculating when you do a turn. Like 1 turn, 2 turns, 3 turn, 4 turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 turns. I mean, it wouldn't matter if a turn would cost 1000 points. So the task today is to get not the shortest way, but the cheapest. So the shortest, every step is 1 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But every corner is 1000 points. So you want to avoid corners rather than got the shortest way. So I somehow need to compare this way. I mean, the next, the next move with, is it worse to go it because there's a diagonal way. It's also possible to use non-Euclidean distances. To do so, create a class that extends A star. How do I call it then? It's hidden. Um, so it's not founding. Compute cost. But I'm having trouble implementing. Part 3 and 4, what is he talking about? It is easy to set up for a grid, just make a new node with a script that inits from A star to the then. Um, think I won't get it done today. Actually, not with A star. I could make a manual movement, but it's not the... I mean... On the current task, you don't want to have a manual movement. To get the shortest way, right? You want that a computer calculates the shortest movement for you. A star 2D. Get available point ID, get closest point. Goes from 0 to 5. It's the closest position in the segment to the given point. At point 1 and at point 2. Connect 1 and 2, get closest position in segment. I think A star isn't the way to go here. I mean, the thing is, What if I don't connect them? I need to study data structure and algorithms. What if I just say, okay, when you have two ways, for example, oh no, then it wouldn't connect this one. But I need this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I would need it. Hmm. The thing is, if I would have a logic, for example, okay, corners might cause more costs, so then it would maybe avoid this one and then go this one. So then we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We would still have 7. Back from leader. Nice. But at this point, maybe it will go to the top. Oh. And bought nothing. Oh, I know that so well. Sometimes I was doing things like that also. Just go to supermarket and go outside. And at the cashier, you are feeling you are stealing something. Just because you don't buy anything and you act like that you steal something, and watching the cashier, they don't think that you steal something. Even you don't. They're not that serious here. Oh, oh. I mean, I know, but sometimes, welcome back. Sometimes it got the feeling just like, I can't go outside now, out from the supermarket without just buying something. They will think I'm stealing something. Is it snowing at your place? No, it was snow, but now it is hot again for some reason. So beach weather, I think. I think the A-star solution wasn't. I want to know what the other people did. But no one is using GD script. Is I use this one? Cheers. Cheers. German beer. I think where you are, you got German beer cheaper than I got here. But cheers. Oh, you're coming back to Germany, right? Yes, for 10 days. I'll be there in January for 10 days. 10 no stream days? Probably yes. We'll see how I handle this, but I think 10 no stream days. Was? Yes, winter vacation. So I need someone who understands math. I mean, the thing. Have fun with the cold. I think, you know, for a short term, I think it's fine. Right now here it's also cold. How much degrees are here right now? 20. Yeah, 20 degrees. Tomorrow in the morning there will be, oh no, on Thursday, Tuesday next week there will be 17 degrees here. Brrr. Be right back. Have fun with schnitzel and have fun with kebab. Mashed potatoes you got here also in mass. And actually the mashed potatoes at KFC are very nice. But mashed potatoes also a thing here. I mean, not that popular, and you won't see it in. We call it shabowi. 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 Hmm. Ah, Scabove. Okay, when speaking in an English word, it's Scabove. 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 Scabove sounds it sounds a bit French to me, to be honest. The thing is, I need to do one more calculation here. So when we are here, the reindeer needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 steps until here. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. There are way more than 14 steps until here. Alright, I think that's it for today. I mean, I think I once solved it with a star, and I was failing to... Because I have no clue how to do it now. How I could add a weight to the way. Recalculate the path every time? At every step we doing? I mean, that would be a possible way, but even then, we would probably get the same direction. Because it won't calculate the shortest way by corners, it will calculate the shortest way by steps. Don't off. Long time no see, that's true. But I can't find the proper way here, but next time you online I want to change my cap to Santa hat. Oh, that can be. Subs are allowed to change their caps. And you can go the Santa cap if you want. That's sure. For sure. Oh, and I also want to make it snow here. Would you think it's distracting to have snow over the screen, or is it okay? Because I would like it. And I still need to create one more character. Did you know that Rubik's Cube looks like a Rubik's Cube on screen? He's not here today, I think. Oh, he is here right now, but I think just lurking. To get the points. Alright. Day 16 is failed also. I thought I would be on the right way. So the we could check. So this is the way how people do it. Infinity, 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 infinity. DFS will overflow, have to go with BFS. Find S and E and initiate each map key. A first queue element, if score is too high, skip. Check if at the end. If low score set as best to date. For part 1 we can do smaller equals instead of smaller, so we simulate this with cost +1. If cost for next position from this direction is too high, skip. Okay, so the proper way is to just recalculate the way over and over again. Something like that I need to learn. Hello Acromat. Acromat. Welcome. Actually, that was the last thing what I was doing today. I was not successful at today's task. I make the reindeer walk the wrong way. Which is sad, but it is like it is. Yeah, hopefully we have more luck tomorrow. Thankful for everyone who was watching. Thank you very much. I hopefully see you tomorrow again, right at the same time like always. If you want to support me and my game, you can wishlist it on Steam already. It will help me, it will help the game a lot. Thanks for watching, have a great day, night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and take care everyone.